Now, let's look at second question. Instead of 5 different balls, I change to 5 identical balls, distributed among 3 boys. If each boy should get at least 1 ball, how many different ways we can do this? Okay? So now we have 5 balls, and I don't number it, so you cannot tell which ball is which. They look exactly the same. Okay? But I want distributed among what? Among 3 boys. Okay? Say the 3 boys. This time, I still use what? Still use Tom. Still use Peter. Still use what? Fred. Okay? Still Fred. Now, look at here. 5 balls, because they look exactly the same. So there actually how many different ways you can pile them together, okay? How many dividers I can divide what? 5 balls into 3 piles. Well, I can divide here. This is what I call what? D1. This one I call D2. This one I call D3. And this one I call D4. Okay? D1, D2, D3, D4. Now, from 4 divider, because I want to divide what? 5 balls into 3 piles, 3 groups, right? So I need to choose 2 of them. So this is from what? This is from 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? From 4. Where 4 coming from? 4 coming from 5 balls. That will determine what? 4 divider. This is 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And I want to choose what? 2 of them. Where's the 2 coming from? Well, I have 3 boys, right? 3 piles. 3 piles, I choose 2 of them. So 3 minus 1. So this is from 4, I choose 2. Okay? Say I choose these 2. I choose what? D2 and D3. From these 4, I choose these 2. So look at here. The first boy, Tom, how many he gets? He get 1, 2. So Tom get 1. Tom get 2. And how about Peter? D2 and D3. This is one group, right? Peter get 1. Peter get 1. Okay? And after that, this is belong to Fred. Fred get 1. Fred get 2. So 2 plus 1 plus 2, that add up to what? 5. Can you see that? Now, let me try one more. Suppose I choose D1 and I choose D3. I choose D1 and choose D3. What does that mean? Well, if I choose D1 and D3, that means first kid, Tom, get how many? Get 1 ball. Okay? And from here to here, belong to the second boy, Peter. Peter get 1? Get 2. Okay? And Fred get 1? Get his 2. Because divider is here. Can you see that? So Fred get 2. So this is 1, 2, 2. So you want to find all the combination that add up to what? That add up to 5. But you are not allowed to have zeros. Okay? How many different ways we can do that? 4 choose 2. What's 4 choose 2? 4 choose 2 is 4 factorial. Divided by 2 factorial. Divided by 2 factorial, right? So 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. And 2 factorial cancel with 2 factorial. There's another 2 factorial. 4 times 3, 2 factorial is just what? 2 times 1. So the answer is what? 6. There are 6 different ways you can do that. Is that okay? There are 6 different ways you can do that. So in this case, what are the 6? Let's look at here. Can be 1 plus 1 plus how many? 3. This is one way, right? What are the other ways? Well, you can have what? 1 plus 3 plus 1. That means Tom get 1, Peter gets 3, Fred get 1. Okay? What else? 3 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Am I correct? What else? I can have 1 plus 1 plus 2. Oh no. 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 2, that's fine, right? But it's also equal to what? 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 2. Or 2 plus 2 plus 1. Altogether, there are 6 different ways. Is that okay? There are 6 what? Different ways. Okay?